6. Fit a line to data. No, it's like a very introduction to statistics. A scatter plot is a graph used. I should have let Daniel teach this lesson. To determine whether there is a relationship between paired data.
Is he like really good at this or really bad at it?
I think he's good at it.
You should let him come here and do it with us, like last time. Yes, he would work.
All right, we're going to have 3 examples. I can only fit 2 right here at the moment, so I'll have to do my other one in a second. So
do you need graph paper from this section?
No.
Oh. You good? What was that?
My shoulder.
Are you special?
Are you like a robot?
Yeah, she's a robot, Sean.
No, like, you know.
So I have magical powers.
What
No,
in the
like
world?
some
What are we learning?
Some people have
What
like.
the freak? What is that? What are we learning?
Some people have.
Scatter plots.
So it's just the direction of which the scatters are going? No. No way it's this.
Pretty much.
No way it's
Is that
this.
all it is?
If, whoa.
Then you gotta figure out the slope.
If y increases as x increases, aka it has a positive slope,
Stop.
then the data has a positive correlation
This is such a fun sound.
Fun sound.
What? I was just copying.
It's a little cringy.
How? Me?
Oh,
You're like,
like the people.
Yeah, because.
it's literally what it sounds like.
Like the Jaws movie when he went.
So, where's my eraser?
Do you just prefer me not to take notes?
No, it was just, I always forget how like loud and obnoxious this section is to teach.
True.
Unless people have markers, and then it's not.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Stop.
Hey, Miss Stacy, that's really loud.
Oh, I know which way it's going. It's going Saturday.
You should let me use my Apple Intelligence for this.
I always know on the quiz when people are like at this section. If y decreases
Stop.
as x increases, aka it has a negative slope,
Are we ever gonna have to find this little board?
if you take stats, you will.
What's stats?
Statistics.
AP statistics.
Then the data has a negative correlation.
So
I'm sure you weren't expecting that one.
So
Oh
you,
my gosh.
so you have Daniel first period.
Yep.
And fourth period?
Yep.
Wait, he takes 2 maths?
Yep.
What? What?
So which one's harder?
Stats.
It's like
So is he passing though? Is it easy for him?
For him, probably. In general, no.
So you think I could do it?
Not anytime soon.
What does it look like?
Hard.
Can you just throw up like?
Whoa! What is happening here?
Why is it all over? That's Casey. And my pencil broke.
My pencil broke too.
Because you're hitting the paper too hard.
I would have never known that.
This is such a fun section.
If
I use my paper.
X and Y have no apparent relationship, meaning the dots are all over the place, they don't look like they're forming a line, I can't figure out where my line would go, then,
It's nothing correlation.
close, the data has no correlation.
I wonder if Daniel's gonna come in here and be like, I know what section you're teaching. He probably can hear it in the library.
He probably.
He's not in there right now, I don't think. He went somewhere.
Okay. Okay.
That's Stacy. You like teaching this section.
Once I'm done, I will.
Are you even gonna give us homework for this? Because like I think it's kind of easy.
Taylor, be quiet.
Hey, I already
It's like I haven't even done a problem yet.
Whoa, wait, hold up.
Perfect.
Okay.
Looks just like yours.
So, a few things about scatter plots is that they're just dots on a graph. We don't connect the dots. Okay?
Aw.
So,
That's what Sean wanted.
whoa.
What is happening with your thing?
I had the highlighter selected. For a scatter plot.
You right, highlighter?
Yeah, but it's hard to read.
What's this?
These things. Do not connect the dots.
Was not planning on it. Because
Sean. I remember when we first started graphing and we placed graphs, we were like, oh, are we going to connect them? Like connect the dots?
If it's a scatter plot, you don't connect them. Now, obviously, you see that I drew lines through here.
Yeah.
You do not need to know this, but that's something called the line of best fit. That means that there should be an equal number of dots below the line as there are above the line. Okay? It's making a line that fits my data. We are not doing that in Algebra 1. In Algebra 2, we start to do that a little bit because you have a calculator that does it for you.
You buy that calculator?
Yeah, it's $100 and some calculator.
oh,
Then in stats, you have to learn to find it by yourself.
Shoot, I
you're
ain't
telling
taking
me I
that.
gotta count every
I
single
ain't
little
taking
dot.
that. I'm pretty sure Algebra
So-
2 is going to be the last one I take.
Huh?
Algebra 2 is going to be the last one I take.
Yeah, I'm dropping.
Most people stop at Algebra 2, so
Wait, what's Algebra 3?
basically pre-cal or college algebra.
So should I just stop at Algebra 2?
We'll see when we get there.
Wait, can you stop at algebra 2?
Yeah, you have to have 3 math classes. So basically you have to have Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Are we good?
So would we take algebra 2 next year or geometry?
Geometry.
So if you take 2 math classes in 1 year, you don't have to take any more.
Well, you can't take the other one simultaneously.
Would it be a bad idea to take geometry during the summer?
I don't recommend it
Why?
because you probably won't learn anything.
Yeah, you don't have.
Well, what if it gets? What if it's right? And I know it's right. Do I
I
have to
wonder
take a
if
test
people
on it?
watching on YouTube are like, what is this sound going? And then they like have it on speaker so their parents can hear it and say, what is it?
Who watches this for fun, Drew?
What if Coach Joseph?
Moreline watches this?
Yeah, because she doesn't.
Okay,
Does Stacy
The first problems, they say make a scatter plot of the data in the table, draw a line of fit, and then write the equation of the line. The only thing we are doing is drawing a scatter plot.
We drew the line.
Huh?
Do we have to draw the line?
What did I just say?
We always draw the line.
You said
That is not what I said.
you can draw it, but it like has to. Be
I
like,
said the instructions say make a scatter plot of the data, draw a line of fit, and write an equation of the line. All we are doing is drawing a scatter plot. We are not doing the other instructions. So, number 6, they give us a table that's got X and Y values in it.
Oh, so we're just plotting the points.
Oh no.
This is gonna be so fun.
Bro. So we don't have.
And no, you do not need graph paper. Graph paper will be an absolute waste for you with this.
It's okay. I already write out.
Why is it 2 1?
Why is it 9, not 8?
1 1.
Because it's a scatter plot. It's random numbers.
Wait, are you sure it's not supposed to be?
Because 1 1 equals 2, and then 3 4 5 6, and then 7 8 9.
Is this all I have?
This is why we're not graphing it, because the numbers are so big.
Exactly, bro. It could be like
Yeah, bro.
1,000.
Good job, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, dude.
All right, so my Y values go basically up to 9. So on my x-axis, I don't have any negative numbers, so all I need is this. Whoa, I did that. All I need is this first quadrant of my graph.
And we're just gonna press dots everywhere we want.
So I'm not gonna label every single one. If you want to label a few of them, you can, so that you can see what you're counting by. Now, on my y-axis, though, I am going from, my smallest number is 10 all the way up to 102. So I think I'm going to count by 10s on my y-axis, because these are graphs that don't need to be perfect. They just need to be in the right general vicinity.
Okay.
So I'm going to count by 10s.
Who said
If everybody stays here, am I going to have the class with everybody?
What?
This class now.
What do you mean?
Like, next year, would I be at geometry with kids?
Yes.
Alright, y'all better get help out.
And anybody that's currently in 1B would also be in geometry with you.
that? Oh my god.
No,
No.
hold on. That's where we stopped it.
This
Colton's
is
gonna be
where-
in class.
Huh?
Colton's gonna be in this class.
Braden's gonna be in this class.
Wait, hold on. Alright, Braden, bro. Braden and Colton are.
Okay, we are going to focus and we're going to get this done.
Yeah, guys.
All right, so these are just ordered pairs here. 110, so we're plotting that point. So at 110, I put a point. At 112, I have a point. So that one's just going to be a little bit higher. Whoa.
Yay.
Not really sure what just happened. Okay, we're going to do that, and then we're going to, do that. So there's my first 2 points. Then at 333, I have a point. So over here at 3, I'm going to go all the way up to 33. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, just in the right general ballpark. 4 and 46. So try to at least, make it like halfway between the 40 and the 50 if you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. 5 and 59, so that's almost all the way up to 60. 6 and 70.
Do not even do it, bro.
And then at 9 and 102.
I don't have to.
And then we
We
just
don't connect
dribble
the
around it.
dots.
Do not connect the dots. Now, according to the stuff that we did at the beginning, does this have a positive, negative, or no correlation? Yep. This has a positive correlation.
Is this all we're doing?
Yep.
Can I have my homework?
It's gonna take a while.
I just want my
All right, now some of them are going to have negative numbers, so we'll do one that has negative numbers so we can see what that looks like.
Guess what, Miss Stacy? Once there was
A frog. Oh.
place in Africa named Djibouti. And Dahomey.
Okay, -5, -3, -3, 0, 1, 2, 5, and 6. And then my y values, -4, 12, 10, -6, 8, 0, 3, -9.
What are you doing, Taylor?
All right, so on this particular one, I have negative numbers on my x and my y, so I'm going to essentially need an entire graph. My biggest number, I'm going to probably just go to 10 on all of the axis points, but it doesn't really matter. I don't really need to go that far on the x, but just so that my graph looks kind of consistent, I'm going to do that. So I need the whole graph here.
So like the first couple ones, negative and positive?
Actually, I need to go up to 12 on the positive y. All right, so I've put a couple labels on here just so I can see. Like I said, I noticed that my y values actually go up to 12, so I went up to 12 on this one. And then you're just going to plot these points. So -5, -4. -3, 12. Bless you. -3, 10. 0, -6. 1, 8. 2, 0. 5, 3. And 6, -9.
That's called a zero.
No. No correlation.
This one would be no correlation because they're all over the place.
We just put zigzag.
No. Now, the main reason I just wrote on here for you on the first one that it was positive, this one that it's no, is because the first 3 questions, you don't need to like copy over a picture of the graphs, but if you want to, you can. But they're going to ask you to say if the graph has a positive, negative, or no correlation. Okay, so rather than us doing those,
You don't have to copy the graphs down.
on those 3 problems, you don't. On the ones where you're making a scatter plot, obviously, you have to have a graph.
So wait, on these 3 we don't have to.
No, on problems 3, 4, and 5, you don't have to copy it over. All right, are there any questions? Hopefully this is nice and easy.
So we just go
Wait,
in
we're
and
done
out?
already?
Unless y'all need to see another one.
No. Anna,
All right, 3 through 5. You're just stating what kind of correlation it has on those ones. And then 7 and 13. On these 2, you are drawing the scatter plot only. Okay? Now, if you want to say what kind of correlation it has, obviously you can still do that, but you don't need to, don't draw a line, don't write the equation of a line. You don't know how to do that. Your calculator does it for you in the future, so that's why we're not doing it.
Wait, do you buy it or
We
do
only
we
have
buy
to
it?
do 3 through 5, 7 and 3.
7 and 13.
That's it.
I mean, I can find some more for you if you want it. I can give you the hardest problem in this section.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Can I move back? I was just stuck
Wait, do you